We're here at Todd, up at the pond on probably one of the coldest days of the year. And we are looking over here at a shingle oak. And shingle oak, like all oaks, is a really, really important tree for a lot of insects, particularly caterpillars of moths and butterflies that will eat a lot of the oak leaves. This is a substantially important food source for birds. And one thing that is really cool is a lot of these caterpillars are still here. And on these coldest days, and we'll go right up here, look on the inside of this skeletonized tree, we can actually see a caterpillar that is filled with all sorts of antifreeze, essentially, to keep it alive. And birds are going to utilize this food source throughout winter.
We're at another shingle oak here at the Todd Pond and just doing a little exploration. So shingle oaks are very marcescent, so they hold on to their leaves. And as you can see, this one is just covered with leaves. But Chris and I are just looking for areas that have been kind of skeletonized. And what we're finding in there are caterpillars. And so we saw some chickadees and other birds flying around these. And we can see some galls on here. Here's one. So there's probably a Lepidopteran caterpillar or egg in there. So we look around. Ooh, here's one. Oh, yeah. There's a caterpillar inside there. So even here in late January on a cold day, birds are still finding insects to munch on. Just incredible. Without a important tree like this shingle oak, there'd be a lot of starved birds. Oh yeah, look at that, Chris got one.